How's it going, everybody? Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video we are going to talk about how to set up the Go For It task manager. So I've got the article here, and I've been trying to incorporate my articles more in the videos because I feel like showing you the commands that I've written out might be a little bit better. So if we look over this, we see that it's supported on Ubuntu, Elementary OS, Arch Linux, Flatpak, and the source code. Now, in this video, I'm going to be covering the Flatpak. So you want to get it installed, just open up a terminal and make sure you have Flatpak installed, and then just enter the following command, and it will install on your system. And as you can see, I added a Y there just to make it run faster, so I don't have to press Y all the time. But once the Go For It app is complete, from the installation process is complete, you can close the terminal and you can launch Go For It. Now once this is open, we can go over how to add tasks. So to start off, you need to create a list. So you click Add List, and then you click on your directory. I'm going to select my home directory, but you can put it wherever you want. From here, you write your list name. So I'm going to write tasks. Then I click Add List. Now this is going to create a text file that all your tasks are set in. And if you want to start creating tasks, you click on the list, double click on it, and then you start writing tasks. So finish this video, pet my cat, look out window. So I can add whatever tasks I want just by typing this in, and then when I want to check it off, I can check the box. And there's another interesting feature that I'm going to go over briefly, and it's called active tasks. Now, let's say for some reason it's going to take me 25 minutes to pet my cat, which is nice for him because he's a very, very weird cat. He likes being petted a lot. Some cats like to run away, but he loves it, and I'm sure he'd love 25 minutes of attention. So I can click the Start button. Now this is going to give me 25 minutes to complete the task, and I can also customize the task list. And then when I'm done, I can click Done, and I can go to the next one, or I can click Skip. And if I want to see completed tasks, I just click the check mark here. Very simple. I like this app. I use Todoist for my productivity, but if I didn't use it, I would probably use this app. It's pretty nice. If you need a good task list, to-do list, one I definitely recommend checking out. Anyways, guys, this is how you can set up tasks in the Go For It app. I hope this video was informative, and I will see you in the next one.